Hello friends, this is Hardik, and in this video I will teach you how to make this model in Fusion 360. The dimensions for this model are given in this drawing. So we will first start with the new design by clicking on this plus button. First of all, we will create this base, okay, and the dimensions for that base is given over here. So we will first start with the sketch. We'll click on the create sketch and we will select this top plane. First of all, we need this line, and the dimension for that line is given over here, that is 40 mm. So we will create a line. The shortcut for the line is L. So we will simply press L on our keyboard, or we can use the toolbar too. Okay, now we will click on the origin and we will write down 40, enter. Now we got this line. Now we need this line, and the dimension for that line is 40 mm. So we will create another line of 40 mm. We will click on this button, we will click on the origin and we will drag our mouse upside. We will write down 40 and enter. Now we need this line, and the dimension for that line is given over here, that is 60 mm. So we will create another line from this point of 60 mm. Okay, now we need the dimension for this line. For that, what will we do? We will create a random line like this, okay, without any dimension, and now we will constrain that with dimensions. Okay, so dimension from this point to this point is vertical dimension from this point to this point is 20 mm. So we will create a dimension. For dimension, the shortcut is D, or you can always click on the toolbar. Now we will create a dimension from this point and this point. We'll click over here and we will write down 20, enter. Okay, now our sketch is fully constrained. All the lines are in black color, so our sketch is fully constrained. Now we can extrude it. For extrusion, first of all we will finish this sketch and we will now extrude it. So for that we need the thickness of this base, that is given over here. The thickness of this base is 10 mm. So we will extrude this sketch 10 mm. For extrude, the shortcut is E, or you can always click on over here, extrude. As there is no any other section, this section is automatically selected. Now we will drag this arrow upside and we will write down 10 and enter. Now our base is ready. Now we need this object. For that we will create a sketch over here. So we will create another sketch by clicking on this create sketch button. We'll click on this face. Now we need a rectangle over here like this. For dimensions, that is given over here. The rectangle's width is 30 mm and height is 10 mm, which is given over here. So we will create a rectangle over here. For rectangle, the shortcut is R, or you can click on this button. We'll click on this point. We will drag our mouse right side and upside. We will write down 10 tab 30 and enter. Now we got the rectangle. Now we will extrude it. First of all, we will finish that sketch and now we will extrude it. For extrusion, shortcut is E. We will select this section. As the dimension is reversed, we will drag this arrow right side. As we reverse the dimension, we need to write down the dimension is negative. So we will write down -10 and enter. The width of this object is 10 mm, so we extruded it 10 mm. Now what will we do? We'll create this object. For that we need a sketch over here on this face. So we will create a sketch over here. Now we need dimensions. The dimensions are given over here. The height is 30 mm, this line is of 30 mm, and from this point the dimension is 50 mm. So now we will create that sketch over here. We will first of all create a line from this point upside 30 mm. We will again create a line of 30 mm like this, and we will create another line of 50 mm over here. Now we will join these two lines by clicking on these 2 points. Okay, now we need this square over here. So first of all we will create a rectangle by pressing R button. We'll click any random point over here and we will write down 10 tab 10 and enter. Now we will place this square over here, and the dimension from this line to this line is 10 mm, and this line to this line is also 10 mm. So we will create a dimension. For dimension the shortcut is D. We will click on this line and this line and click over here. We will write down 10, enter. Now we will create another dimension from this line to this line and click over here. We will write down 10. Now our square is perfectly placed. Now we will finish this sketch and we will extrude it. Finish sketch. Now we will extrude it. For extrude, shortcut is E. We will select this section. We will drag this arrow inside and we will write down minus 10 mm and enter. And our model is ready. Please make this model on your computer, and if you find any difficulty then repeat this lecture, and you will get regular videos like this on this YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and share with your friends and family. That will help us grow together. And I have a course on Udemy about Fusion 360, animated engine model design in Fusion 360. The link for this course is in the description, and if you want this course free of cost, then please let me know in the mail. Please mail me. The email ID is given on the description. Mail me your reason why you want this course free of cost. If you can't afford this, then I will give you a free coupon to this course. I will gift you this course. And subscribe to this YouTube channel. You will find many more tutorials like this in future videos. And if you have any model to make in Fusion 360, and if you are having difficulty, then let me know in the comment section and mail me the model. I will post a video of model in Fusion 360, so that will help other students to make that models. Okay, thank you very much and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.